Welcome to Raptor Dynamic. A lot of folks ask us how long spraying drones have been around. Some people think it was around 2019, and certainly a lot of people were getting into the business around then. Well, we've been around a little longer than that. Hell, we were celebrating HSC's 10-year anniversary that same year. And our team started way back then, back in 2009. When drones weren't trending, they were not common, and they were definitely not easy. At the beginning, HSC started out by serving first responders and government agencies with what was considered cutting-edge surveillance drones. It's where the work was, and boy, did we have a lot to learn. As the industry grew, so did we. In 2014, we introduced America to the first spraying drones. Not as some big moment, just as a necessary one. Farmers needed better tools, and we helped provide and support that need. And then over the next 12 years, we've helped pioneer the tech, the accessibility, and the regulations that define the drone industry that you know today. At every step, we've stayed focused on earning the trust of dealers, growers, and applicators who value that kind of experience. For us, it's just about getting better and better every year, learning, adapting, fixing things, and just serving our people. This includes having ridiculously great dealer partners coast to coast. In 2025, HSC UAV and Pegasus Robotics merged and became Raptor Dynamic as it is today. Same great people, same expertise, just with a giant-sized vision for helping folks succeed. And those badass dealers I mentioned a second ago, well, today there's more than 60 of them coast to coast, and we're adding more and more all the time. They share Raptor's commitment to excellence. Our entire network offers multiple brands, so you aren't stuck with just one option. And if we don't trust it, we ain't selling it. We're not new. And this isn't some revolution that's coming someday soon. It's one we've been building from the start. And listen, we won't stop until we get it right.